From multiple points of view, the Cadillac CT6 Plug-in Hybrid is the most intriguing auto the brand offers. In spite of having a turbocharged 4-chamber mixture powertrain, it makes the most torque of any CT6, even the twin-turbocharged V6 show. It likewise has an asserted electric scope of 31 miles can in any case deal with a consolidated mileage of 26 mpg with simply the gas motor. Indeed, even its birthplace is intriguing, since its last get-together point is China. To top things off, it's likewise the second most costly CT6 in the range. To see whether the CT6 is justified regardless of that cash, and has more to offer than fun realities, we invested some energy in the driver's seat. Of all the diverse CT6 variations accessible, the CT6 PHEV is simply the one I would pick. Why? Since the half-breed powertrain at long last conveys on the calm, refined driving background I need from a liter extravagance vehicle. I was somewhat shocked by this, as well, since the gas motor in the engine is the 2.0-liter 4-chamber utilized somewhere else, which isn't the smoothest thing on the planet. In any case, help from the electric engine helps shield the 4-barrel from winding up excessively to move the enormous caddy, and when the gas motor revs hard, it's all around muted by whatever protection is in the auto. Other than oil refinement, the power conveyance is oil-on-ice smooth. The mixing of electric and gas control is consistent. There's no looking out for the turbo to spool up, and there's no loss of energy at higher RPMs with the electric engine. They work in consummate concordance, giving brilliant wretched snort and strong upper end control. The transmission is super smooth, as well taking into account upbeat floating wherever you go. I was likewise satisfied to find that the manual mode on the transmission really sets how forceful the regenerative braking is, and you can influence it to darn close as forceful as a Chevy Volt M. It's not exactly one-pedal driving, but rather entirely close. Also, driving eagerly is really fun in the CT6 on the grounds that the auto drives like an auto a large portion of its size. It reacts rapidly and excitedly to the directing and feels extremely planted. The auto remains quite level, as well, however the exchange off is a firm ride. The brakes feel for the most part great, too. They feel firm and dynamic, however somewhat grabby at low speeds. There is one other proviso with this and all different CT6s, however. The inside has components of a strong plan. Huge numbers of the materials are decent, and the fundamental shape is fine, yet it doesn't feel bound together. There are an excessive number of various inside materials, so it looks scattershot and spontaneous instead of sumptuous. Those are things I can pardon, however, since I cherish the way the auto drives. So in case you're searching for a flawless driver with bunches of room and can pardon the awkward inside, the CT6 is a sweet ride.
Subscribe, like, share and comment.